Welcome to my first video on this YouTube channel. This is going to be a channel where I show my stock market investment journey, and I'm going to show you my portfolio now. I need to find my phone. So this is my portfolio, well, my first portfolio in the Trading 212 app. This is the app I use to trade stocks. When I say trade, I don't really trade stocks, invest in stocks. So this is my first one. You're probably thinking you've already made a mistake, which I did, to be fair, at the beginning. I use the Invest, when really, if you live in the UK, you should use the ISA, which I do. We'll go on to that. But when I first got into investing, it was around April, May time, and that's when I invested in companies like Boeing, BP, Delta, and Virgin Galactic. Ignore NEO and TXMD. They're just actually trades, to be fair, but I think I'm going to hold on to NEO because NEO is going to be a hot stock for 2021, I reckon. But yeah, them two are just trades kind of thing. But yeah, Boeing, I invested back in like April, May time, and they're up 31%, and Delta's up 56%, so it just shows long-term hold does well, but not all the time, because BP is minus like 20%, minus 19%. So make sure you do your research when you get into stocks, but I'm not going to go into each individual stocks. I'll do that in another video if you want me to anyway. And I can tell you my reasons why, really, to be like in more depth. But I'm just going to show you the overall, my portfolio. This is how you can make money in times like this, to be honest, like a pandemic. That's what I literally did that whole year in 2020. But we're going on to the ISA. There is also a mistake in this one as well. Well, there wasn't a mistake in the other one, but I don't know what I'm on about. So, Alibaba, I bought in when, before this news has happened with everything going on in China with Alibaba. Long story, but yeah, I pretty much bought in before that, so it's dropped quite a lot. But I'm fine with that, because the intrinsic value I've heard and seen from people doing analytics and analysing it, $280 a share it should be, and it's at 232, and the highest it's been is 317, so I'm really fine with that. I bought some Apple stock. Aston Martin's gone up 113%, pretty insane. I only put 25 quid in, so I wish I put in more, but you can always say that. AT&T's like my dividend stock. I still think that's really undervalued, to be honest, because especially with their streaming things they've got going on. So I do generally think that's gonna $40 stock could be, maybe. Well, it will be, I hope. But that's that. Barrett Development. I want to get into more English stocks, to be fair, because I am from the UK, so I want to get into more English stocks. Beyond Meat, I think that's like the Tesla of vegan food, to be honest with you. I think that's going to be, they're going to really dominate that industry market. So yeah, and in Bitcoin I've invested in. Well, not actually Bitcoin, I think it's some sort of ETF-y sort of fund, so I invested in that. Palantir is such a big one for me. Like, I've bought so many shares, as you can tell, 119 shares in Palantir. I believe, like, in 5 years' time, this is going to be like minimum, I think $200 a share. Like, me personally, minimum. And at the moment, they're trading at $23 a share. I think they're the future, to be fair, with data and everything. But I can go into more depth if you want me to. There's a lot of videos on Palantir, to be fair, hence how I found them. But yeah, I think they're the future. Yeah, Royal Dutch Shell bought into. I've got the S&P 500 as well. Wirecard was a stupid thing. I don't know what I was doing. I was like, this is my logic, and this is where you learn, and this is why I wanted to make videos, because you learn things, to be honest, every time. I was like, this is me at the beginning. I was like, oh my god, they're like 188 euros a share back then, and they've dropped all the way down to this price. I'm gonna buy in. Yeah, they're like bankrupt, so I don't know why I'm holding it, to be honest. Just am. So that's it for my portfolio. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you do want to get into stocks, do your research. I am going to upload more videos on YouTube, so please subscribe if you are new, and comment below what type of videos you want me to do. I might do my top 5 picks of 2021. And yeah, hopefully you did enjoy this. If you want to get a free share, go in the link in the description. You can get free stock, and that gets you started. I get a free stock as well with it. But yeah, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hopefully we can do all right in the stock market 2021. So yeah,